so this is Future Naive editing. I realized that the audio is very low, and that's because I'm filming on my phone, and then I tried recording secretly, and hoping that my sister and mom wouldn't see. I'm so sorry about that. I'll hope to fix it next time or talk louder. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Find the mess in the background. I'm too lazy to clean. Anyways, I'm just gonna show you guys my everyday makeup look, like my go-to stuff. I currently have my eyebrows done just because I got the idea to record after I did them. To do them, I currently use the Benefit Precisely My Brow in shade 3.5. You can't even see. I already moisturized with the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream Extra Dry. I've been using this one and it's worked good, but I just like using more than is recommended. I also use the Belief True Cream Moisturizing Balm. For primer, since I already primed too, I'm currently using the Smashbox Super Light Photo Finish Smooth and Blur silicone because I crease a lot right here on my smile lines, it's back, and then my nose separate. I also use the Poreless Putty Primer, but I don't know how I feel about it now. I used to love it, but I think right now I'm loving the Smashbox one more. So now I'm gonna conceal my brows using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm so sorry if it's not focusing. Pro Concealer in shade Biscuit. I'll put it on the screen. So I also use Porcelain. Porcelain is a little too light for me. Put it on my palm. Using an angled brush. Just grab it on one side. And then on the other side that doesn't have any, I use that part since it go through or whatever. You see? Hmm? No. You like it?
Hija de la rata. Where are you going? They're gonna leave and you're not even ready.
And I'm gonna go on my foundation. Maybelline Super Stay. This is a 30-hour wear. Shade 140. Don't judge if it looks too dark. I think it's too light, too dark right now. For foundation on, I usually spray the Make It Last Milani because best setting spray ever. And this is the Morphe Beauty Sponge. I don't know what it's called. This is the Elf Camo Sponge. I don't know their names. You get the Pro Concealer as my concealer. Duh, what else would I use it as? I'm just gonna shut up. I just do it like this because supposedly this lifts up your face. I don't know. I just go with the trend. I am not no makeup MUA artist. I did not go to school to learn how to do makeup. I'm barely 16. I just learned by watching my sisters do theirs. Watching videos on YouTubers like Bella Sarai, Desi. I'm gonna spray to Make It Last by Milani. Freaking bomb. RCMA No Color Powder. They have it in this from Pretty Vulgar. Pretty Vulgar is also good, so if y'all want to send me products, send them to me. Don't be shy. I totally forgot to say that here I was using the Morphe 2 Brow Gel in shade Auburn, I believe. And here I'm saying that I'm using the NC30 Studio Fix powder from MAC. And here I am using the e.l.f. bronze palette. I believe it's the shade Light. It's a little rack cheek. And underrated and unimaginable, like me. Just with you, you could deserve. This is the MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash Mascara. I usually use the Maybelline, the purple one. I don't remember what it's called. I'll upload a picture if I remember to. And I usually like that one because it like lifts my lashes and then separates them. Like I know some people don't like the spider leg like lash look, but I don't mind it. And then with the Q-tip I just clean up the mascara. Then depending on my mood, do eyeshadow, I won't do eyeshadow. Right now I don't have time, so I'm not gonna do eyeshadow. But I'll do a video of like my favorite products, so I can show you my go-to eyeshadow palette. This mirror is the Impressions of Vanity mirror. Quickly, my ColourPop lip liners that I use are I'm Going Bro in shade BFF on Snap. And then NYX is the professional one in shade Nutmeg and Natural. Verme con los Viernes. And then I have the Sweet Oasis lip and glosses. The minis. That's my makeup look. Okay, say bye. I forgot to film a good outro, so I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. If you like makeup videos and want to see more, please let me know because they're fun for me. Also, don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, like, and do what you gotta do. If I haven't uploaded my Guanajuato vlog, it's coming soon. It's just hard to upload the videos because iMovie is all messed up, and if I have, then go back and watch it and share it with your family, friends, because that video should be good and fun.